A&B conversation. So today we're going to be trying international snacks. We went to an Asian market and
we got Korean and Japanese snacks. So we got snacks that don't really have English language on it, just so we weren't kind of biased on what we picked out.
yeah, because we can be picky like when it comes to like certain things. Like I don't like figs. Like like certain things.
So a lot of the things we picked out, we actually don't know what they are or what they're made out of. So I think it'll be very interesting to see.
Yeah. Pretty fun.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so we're gonna be trying these things. I don't even know what they look like.
Or we're not sure what it says, obviously.
It's like I don't know. It's like they look like churros, kind of. I don't know.
Okay, let's try. Why did you open it like that?
I don't know.
So they don't look like the picture at all.
They're sweet. They're like they're weird. I kind of like them. It's like peanut butter.
No, it tastes like a churro with no sugar. Does that make sense?
No, because churros with no sugar is actually really gross.
Yeah, this is what this is. It's really gross. We picked out these.
Candy.
They're little candies. It has 10 flavors: strawberry, lemon, grape, orange, peach, lemon. Oh, I said lemon.
This is mango, right?
Mango, apple, and lime.
Yeah. Oh, they're like little. I didn't expect them to look like this.
Right? Oh.
Sorry. This one's good.
Oh, they're good.
I like this one. Oh, they're like tingling. Is yours?
No.
Mine's tingling. Sprite. No,
it is. I hear it.
Is yours tingling now?
I don't like it.
We're gonna try these like mushroom things.
They look like mushrooms. We don't know if they're made out of mushrooms.
I hope not.
What is that? Hold on. Do not eat. Why would they put this in a package that you eat?
Well, because sometimes it like preserves the snack.
So it's like fake.
Eat it. Oh, it's soft. I thought they were gonna be hard. I don't like it. Ew. That's so gross. It tastes like the artificial flavor. That was like all like chemical.
Yeah, wait, I'm gonna get water.
Okay, so we've tried these before and they're like the best drinks in the whole entire world. Not really. Inca Cola. Well, it's like this and Inca.
Yeah,
really
if you know what Inca Cola is, it's basically the same flavor.
And they're like so fun to open. Like, you get the cap and you like pop this little circle out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and then you have to hold it. Yeah, we have no muscle. Okay. 1, 2.
So it fell in there.
Okay, there's like a marble.
Oh,
it's so good though.
Yeah, that's good.
Next, we're gonna try these like cracker things. I feel like they're like cheese crackers. They look like they're in Hawaii. Like no English on this one at all. Okay, things. Ugh, I don't like it. I hate it. It's like that Asian mix my mom eats. Ew.
So I picked these out, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's Indelomi snacks. And to me, they look like chicken nuggets, so that's why I got them.
I still have that like. They're not chicken nuggets.
They smell good.
I don't like it.
Not that bad.
This has mochi mochi on it. I don't know what it is. They look like lemony.
Ew.
Those look like the cheers. It's too squishy. I can't even like enjoy it. Next, I'm gonna try these. They look like chocolate. They're brown. Okay.
Alright.
They don't sound good.
They're good.
Yeah.
It's like coffee. I think it is coffee.
That doesn't look like coffee. That looks like.
Next we have these. There's a sour switch. That's all it says. But oh, is that a Coke? In the background, I think that's a Coke.
Maybe.
Okay. Oh, I think it is Coke.
Those are good.
Is it hard to chew?
Yeah, but they're good.
They're good.
It's like sour candy with Coke inside. Okay, next I got, what is this? There's like little brown balls of flowers. Okay, I really wish I spoke this sandwich.
Oh, they have their own little like packaging. Ew, what is this? This looks like something I would feed my dog. Ew, what is that?
Gross. Bread thing, I don't know.
I think it's green tea though.
Yeah, it's green tea. Yeah, it is. It says green tea. That's good. You can like make a sandwich out of it. Okay, I approve of that one. So like, I actually want this one.
That's good. Yes, it says it right there.
It's called Poro Oro. Ew, I just read that one. Original raisin green tea drink, as you can see. Enzo picked this one out.
Yay.
I'm shaking.
Okay.
I'm scared. Let me do it first. Let me do it first. Don't make a face. Don't make a face.
What?
There's no flavor. Yeah, it's good.
It's not like, wow, I love it so much. I want it forever. But
I actually like it. Drink, like we were walking out, I was like, I'm gonna get this one too. It's grape flavored.
yeah. I feel like it's gonna be good.
Yeah, it tastes like those little, like, here, try it. Those like little jelly things. Remember like the ones we drink? It's really good.
Oh, that's good.
It's kind of like lychee.
Yeah, I like that.
This one's good.
Okay, so the last thing we got was this Melona ice cream in mango flavored. They're cute.
You want one, Enzo? I'm excited. This better be good.
Did you just bite it?
Yeah.
I like it.
I like it.
It's good.
Okay, so these are the ones that we liked, right?
Yeah,
we
for
liked
sure.
these. We liked the Melanoma, which was good to me. Green tea. One.
It's like a cake.
Yeah.
Oh, we like this like coffee.
You remember?
It's like the little candies.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. These are okay.
That weird
fruit
Sprite
ones.
tingling thing was
Yeah.
kind of weird though.
Not bad.
No.
These.
I like the Coke.
The sour Coke ones. It literally
Yeah.
just tastes like a Coke bottle.
Alright, thanks guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
It was really fun to make, and it was very interesting to see all the type of foods that
Other cultures bring.
yeah.
So yeah, we encourage you to try new things.
Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and give us some love and support.
And if you have any suggestions for other videos too, we'd appreciate it.
Yeah, you can just leave them in the comments below and we'll try our best to like accomplish them.
Yeah. Bye. See you next time.